Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is JUnit. JUnit is a simple open source framework to write and run repeatable tests. It is an instance of XUnit architecture for unit testing framework. JUnit, originally written by Eric Gama and Kent Beck, has been important in the evolution of test-driven development. Means first you write the test cases, and then you write the business logic and automate the unit level test cases. Unit testing belongs to test a single unit of code, which can be a single class for Java. I just want to show you a picture. You have a class and you have independent methods. You have methods in the class, and you have to write JUnit test cases in such a way that it tests only this method independently. So when you pass some value, it returns some value. You should check the expected value. So it should test only this method independently. Okay, and you have to write another test method to test this method independently. So this units you should check. That's what this talks about. Belongs to a single unit of code. JUnit helps us to code and test both during the development. JUnit ensures that modification in the code will not break your system without your knowledge. It helps to automatically run your test cases. JUnit helps to test legacy code automatically. It is less time consuming. If you are doing manually to test the legacy code, it takes a lot of time. Instead of that, you can write JUnit test cases and you can use it for long run. Just for example, I have written a method for calculating a factorial. Whenever you pass an integer between 0 to 12, it will calculate and give you. If you give more than 12, it will throw you illegal argument exception. So how do I test this? A lot of combinations are there. So how do I test it? So only this method. Okay, I have written a lot of combinations. If I pass 0, what happens? It should be 1. If I pass 1, it should be 1. If I pass all possible values between 2 to 12, what is the expected value? Then if I pass negative value, what happens? -1 or something. If I pass more than 12, what happens? Okay, so these are the combinations in order to test this method. So if I get all these test cases passed, the confidence will be built more. So I'm going to run this again. Can you see here? I'm going to run this test factorial. Let's see how exactly it works. Yes, it passed all the test cases. Okay, just for case, for example, just for demo purpose, I'm just giving 4. Say how a test case will fail. Just for that, I'm just going to run this. So this test case has failed. We'll say here. So this is how you can check your JUnit test cases. So it builds a lot of confidence that okay, this code works properly, and independently this particular unit works properly. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.